Welcome to Casa Verde. Today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream. I took my smoothie recipe that I have for 1 cup of mango. I have 1/4 cup of water for the smoothie that I like it. But if I want to make my ice cream, I will have less water, like 2 or 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon is enough to have my ice cream. And I blend it. After I blend it, I put the corn there, the really fine one. And it's ready. It's ready to have in my ice cream maker. My ice cream maker, I put everything in it. I have my ice cream maker in the freezer the whole night. And now I'm going to process my ice cream, and it will be good for having in 1 hour, 2 hours, because my freezer can have it for like half an hour ready. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Never use sugar. But if you want to, if you are children or younger, you can have 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of brown sugar or 2 tablespoons of honey. You can have 3 teaspoons of the brown sugar or honey in your ice cream sorbet. Ice cream sorbet is the name of this ice cream. It is so good. And you can make it without the ice cream maker. You can have it in your refrigerator and freeze it for 1 hour. Later, you can put it back in your blender and put it back in the refrigerator, and you will have a smoothie ice cream too. Thank you so much. And subscribe to my channel. Remember, we can now make more of this if you don't subscribe to our channel and help us to help the planet. We want to help the planet. The health of the planet is our business. We need the planet to be cured for all the bad stuff that we have done to the planet. Thank you.